Hello, welcome back. In the last lesson, I showed you how to create an MVP of a web page. In this lesson, I will show you how to improve this web page. So first, open your file. I've already opened my files. As you can see, the index.html and the style.css files have been opened. So I'm gonna change the color of the background. To do this, go to the body tag that's on your style.css file and add this code. Background color. I'm going to select my color, and in order to do that, I will go to Google and I'll just Google this HTML color codes hex, HEX. I have this website, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the color. Okay, so I'm going to select this color, and now I'll just copy the hex code and paste it here. Save this, go to your index file on Chrome, refresh, and you will see it. The next step is to change the font color. I'm going to change all of these font colors, but first I'm going to make these invisible, the H1 tag and the color on the P tag. Save this, and then next I'm going to add color and I'm going to give it white. When you refresh, you will see it like this. Next, you can change the font style. So all you have to do is go back to your body tag, and I'm gonna type this in. Font family. I will go with Arial sans serif. Let me adjust this. Okay, so you can see this. Refresh this and notice that all the styles have been changed. The next thing that I would want to do is to increase the size of my name, and that is the H1 tag. So what I'll do is I'll go to the H1 tag and type in font size. I'll give it 60 pixels and refresh, and it's much bigger. The next thing to do would be to change the way the photo looks. I want to change this to a circle. To do that, I will give it a border radius of 50%, so the corners are rounded. And that's the image tag. Image border radius 50%. Refresh. And lastly, I want to add social media icons here. But first, I'm going to bring this and move it here. Cut this and bring it to here. Refresh. Next, I'm going to add this code here between the head tag. This will connect me to the style sheet on Font Awesome, which is this page. I'm going to look for LinkedIn. If you were to type in LinkedIn, you will see some really nice looking icons. Right, so what I'll do is you'll have to copy this code, and I've already copied it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it here. But before I do that, I'm going to make some adjustments. First, okay, so I'm going to move the P tag here. Next, I'm going to fix this a little, and I will copy this, paste this here, save this. You will see it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to add another social media icon, and I will add a GitHub. Refresh and you'll see it here. If you were to click it, it will bring you to GitHub. Okay, so I am going to delete this code. What I have done is I have given an ID of contact, and I have given the connect with me a P tag, and I have given it an ID of contact. And now what I am going to do is I'm going to This is the, I'm going to go to the style sheet, and then I will do this, type in the hashtag represents ID tags. The hash symbol represents ID tag. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a font size of 14. Let's try this. Okay, we can increase this a little. Just remember, this is an experiment, so you can just play around with it and see what fits. I hope this has helped you a lot. It's these are just 6 ways to add some improvements to your web page. Thank you, and see you next time.